Hello, beauty lovers. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk about the amazing uses of a miraculous product, Vaseline. This little jar holds big miracles. I'm here with tips that will touch both your beauty and motivation. Tip 1. Making your perfume last longer. Do you want your perfume to last longer? Here's a fantastic tip for you. Before spraying your perfume, apply a little Vaseline to your wrists and neck. Vaseline will trap the scent of your perfume, helping you smell wonderful all day long. Try it and feel the difference. Tip 2. Treating split ends. Split ends are a nightmare for all of us. But don't worry, Vaseline comes to the rescue here too. Apply a small amount of Vaseline to your hair ends. This will nourish your hair and reduce the appearance of split ends, making your hair look healthier. Tip 3. Makeup removal. Removing makeup can sometimes be challenging, especially waterproof makeup. But with Vaseline, it's very easy. Take a bit of Vaseline and gently wipe away your makeup. Your skin will be both clean and moisturized. Isn't that amazing? Tip 4. Eyebrow shaping. Perfectly shaped eyebrows frame your face. After shaping your eyebrows, take an eyebrow brush with a little Vaseline and apply it to your brows. This will keep your eyebrows in shape all day long. Try it and see the difference. Tip 5. Moisturizer for dry elbows and heels. Looking for a quick solution for dry and cracked elbows and heels? Vaseline deeply moisturizes your skin and makes it super soft. Apply Vaseline to your elbows and heels before bed and wear socks. You'll wake up with soft skin in the morning. Tip 6. Lip moisturizer. Dry and chapped lips can be unavoidable in the winter months. But with Vaseline, you can easily solve this problem. Apply some Vaseline to your lips and enjoy moist, soft lips. Also, you can apply a layer of Vaseline under your matte lipsticks for a smoother application. Tip 7. Removing lipstick stains from clothes. Got a lipstick stain on your clothes? Don't panic. Apply a bit of Vaseline to the stained area and let it sit for a few minutes. Then wash the stained area. You'll see that the stain is gone. Tip 8. Manicure and pedicure. Doing a manicure and pedicure at home has never been easier. Apply some Vaseline to your cuticles to soften them. After letting it sit, push back your cuticles and shape your nails. Your cuticles will be soft and well-groomed. That's it. With these amazing uses of Vaseline, you can take your beauty and care routine to the next level. When you try these tips, don't forget to share your experiences with me in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my video. See you in the next video. Stay beautiful.